Next year, Apple is launching only 3 new iPhones: the iPhone 18 Pro, iPhone 18 Pro Max, and the iPhone Fold. And honestly, this foldable might just be your next iPhone. After years of Samsung pioneering foldables, Apple is finally entering the game. They've settled on the book-style fold, aiming to solve the biggest foldable problem: the visible crease down the middle of the display. Apple claims to have fixed this using a metal plate to distribute pressure and a liquid metal hinge, making the screen feel seamless and durable enough to withstand daily use. When closed, the iPhone Fold looks like a standard 5.5-inch iPhone, about 9 mm thick. Open it, and you get a massive 7.8-inch iPad-like display, just 4.5 mm thin. This makes multitasking, media consumption, and productivity feel completely different from any regular iPhone. The camera setup is impressive too: 4 cameras in total, 1 outside, 2 on the rear, and 1 on the inside. Apple is keeping the design minimal but functional, focusing on high-quality sensors over quantity. Face ID? Gone. Instead, Touch ID returns, integrated into the power button at the top. Connectivity is powered by Apple's 2nd Gen C2 modem, offering faster, more efficient cellular performance. And battery life? Apple is using high-density battery cells and slimmer display drivers to squeeze more hours out of the device, making it surprisingly reliable despite the foldable form factor. The iPhone Fold will come in black and white, but don't expect it to be cheap. Estimates put it in the $2,000 to $2,500 range, positioning it as the premium iPhone of the year. With only 3 iPhones launching, the Fold clearly sits at the top, paving the way for what Apple might eventually call the iPhone Ultra. In short, the iPhone Fold is Apple's boldest move yet, a combination of innovation, design, and premium pricing. It's thinner than most tablets when open, more powerful than ever, and reintroduces Touch ID while tackling the foldable crease problem. Whether you love it or think it's too expensive, the iPhone Fold is shaping up to be the phone everyone will talk about in 2026. And if Apple nails the experience, this could very well be your next iPhone.